everyone, and welcome to the features session where I'm going to take you through our client portal. I'm going to walk you through how you can set it up and, of course, how you'd use it once it's live. So let's jump into clients on the left menu. I'm going to pick a client and get this set up. Once you're in the client, click on the portal tab. You're going to see a toggle to turn it on, and as soon as you do, Swydo generates a link automatically. Just like that. If you want an extra layer of security, of course, just go ahead and add a password before sharing this with your clients. You can also set this up in the portal straight from share button at the top of any report, so whichever way works quickest for you, of course. Great, here comes the fun part. This is where you can choose what your client gets to see. Click into the report section and add the ones that make sense to this client. I'm going to pick a couple here that give you a little bit of a better overview for what's going on in this client's marketing. And of course, we're going to do the same thing with boards. I'm adding these boards for this specific client, since these will give us a nice snapshot across all of their channels. And if your clients have goals set up, which they should, you can include them here as well, so that they can of course track the progress alongside the reporting. I've added this one here for this specific client, but you can add as many as make sense to give them the fuller picture. Nice. So once you're happy with everything that you have selected, your client's link is already live and up to date. So no extra steps will be required, meaning you don't need to regenerate a link or anything like that. If you ever do need to change the access to the person that has the link that you've sent, you can just regenerate another link and it will stop working straight away. So I think before you send anything over, it is definitely worth the preview, so that you can see what your client is about to experience. Alright guys, so this is what it's going to look like from your client's side. As you can see, goals are straightforward with an overview showing what they're tracking against what targets. So nothing for your client to really click into or adjust beyond this. Reports, let the clients adjust the date range, download the PDF, switch and chat with Swydo AI right there for an analysis. So they don't need to wait for your summary all the time. And of course, with the boards, you can select a specific date, switch to your presentation mode that they can walk through their meeting, or they can download it as a PDF, which is pretty standard at the moment. And guys, that is really it. Once this is set up, your client can check in on their marketing whenever they're curious. Just give them a hint to save it as a bookmark. Everything that you change and add will stay up to date. So no need to resend them another link because it's up to date. So what are you waiting for, guys? Turn this on, share the link, and happy reporting. If this video was super helpful, do drop us a like, and of course, subscribe so that you can catch the next Swydo feature updates. Bye for now.